Alright, so here's this week's restock. Also ordered some pre-workout. Some guys here at work that want some. We're also able to get them at a discount. So if you guys are local in Ventura County, want some subs, let me know. I could get them for you cheaper than GNC, NutriShop. Alright guys, welcome back. Somebody had suggested I do a video on how I got started in this. Just give you guys like a quick background story. So started with my first vending machine back in March of last year, so almost a year now. And I started, didn't really know much about machines, just kind of did some simple research. And I started because I joined this gym and they didn't have anything available for the members. So I just had an idea to talk to the owner and see if she was okay with me placing the machine in her gym. So I talked to her and she was okay with it. So once I got the green light for that, I started looking for a machine. So I didn't really know what type of machine. I knew I wanted something like this where you can put snacks and drinks. And so I went and got it from OfferUp. I wanted an OfferUp that I thought would be a good fit as a combo machine. But yeah, that was not it. It was an AMS 39640, and it was sort of a combo, but it didn't have a cooling unit like this one does. It was more room temperature, around 60, to keep the candies from melting. And I didn't know that. So I bought it, and me and my partner bought it. We went somewhere in LA to pick it up. We got it for, I believe it was like $1,800. So I took it home and cleaned it up. And once I started cleaning it up, slowly realized that it wasn't going to work for a lot of these weird shaped drinks. So kind of screwed up. So now we have a machine that won't work, and the owner's expecting a machine at her gym here soon. So we went back and did some research on what would work, and we went back to OfferUp, and then we ended up finding this one. Had a cooling unit after I learned that you need a cooling unit. This one has it, and this one was a little more expensive. We bought this one for $2,800. So now we have two machines, one that we can't use and this one for sure we could use. So we ended up picking this one up in, like, what was it, Palmdale, I think. Found it on OfferUp, picked it up in Palmdale. It's heavy as shit. So we picked it up, took it home, cleaned it up, and got it ready and brought it into the gym. And at first we didn't really know where to get the products. We knew Sam's and Costco were a few good options, but Sam's and Costco don't carry a lot of this stuff. I don't think they carry these, or these, or these. Yeah, oh, I think Sam's carries these. But these Total War, they don't carry them, or at least I don't think so. And if they do, you have to pay retail. As you guys seen on my other videos, I don't pay retail for a lot of this stuff. It's heavily discounted, and it's tax-free because I have my seller's permit. So yeah, we filled it up with like Sam's Club branded protein, a few of the Amazon stuff, and it did okay, but it started doing better once I got some of this stuff in here. So yeah, that's how we got this machine. And this is a, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a Wittern 3568 model number. And these refurbished, they run like around 35, 4 grand. So they're not cheap. I don't know what they are brand new, because I don't think they make them brand new anymore. Most of the machines you can find are refurbished by like a company that does them. So this machine honestly has been pretty good. No complaints really. As you can see, it has a $1 and $5 bill acceptor, credit card reader, which we installed, didn't come with it. But yeah, this is the other one of my machines. Well, we have 2 machines. We had 4 machines. We got rid of 2. We sold the route. So once we got the other machine, the first machine that wasn't going to work, kept it in my garage. So now we have to find we had to find the location for that one, and it was sitting in the garage for a while we looked for location. But at the same time, I wanted to stock up on machines, kind of have them ready for when we found locations. So we ended up finding a good deal on a Dixie Narco. For you guys that don't know, it's the all drink machine. And we ended up picking that one up in LA also, and that one was a good deal. We got that one for, pretty sure it was like $900 or $800, and it worked good. Those things are workhorses. Let's see if I can pull up a photo. So this is the one we bought for $800, and that's what it looked like when we had it at the location. So here's the Dixie Narco that we bought for $800, and then here's the AMS that we originally bought. That we thought was going to work out for the gym, and that's what it looked like. This is a good machine. AMS is a good brand. Dixie Narco, if you could find these that are like refurbished or in good working condition for a good price, these things are solid. Had a credit card reader, a bunch of different options for drinks. But yeah, these are the other machines that we had. So right now we only have 2. My focus is gyms, so I want to have most of my machines at gyms, but it's kind of hard to get locations, I'm not gonna lie. I've gone and talked to other gyms, other Anytime Fitnesses, and they're a bit skeptical when it comes to letting me place a machine. I'm not sure why, to be honest, but when I've gone to talk to them, they just say that they'll think about it, leave them my business card, and they'll get back to me. But I usually don't hear back. So I'm gonna make another video here soon of me going and talking to them, just so you guys can get an idea. Hopefully you could get some more locations, other gyms, other Anytime Fitness, or even just gyms in general. The reason why we sold the other location, because it was a little bit too far for us. It was about 45 minutes each way, and they had like limited hours that we could restock, and with both of us working full time, it wasn't easy. So we decided on selling. So we sold the location with the machines all together. We sold our machines, and the location was like in a warehouse, test lab sort of thing. So it was just sucked that it was too far away for us. We were only able to restock from like 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. And with me and my partner having full-time jobs, there was no way we were able to restock during those hours. The times we did go, either him or I had to kind of take half day at work and go restock. So the first machine we bought, the AMS, we ended up placing it at that location. So that location came with 2 machines, but the machines were old style. They were kind of old, and you couldn't put credit card readers on them. So what we ended up doing was the Dixie Narco that we bought the Dixie Narco before we found that location. So we had the Dixie and the AMS in my garage, and we ended up finding that location. We bought it, we bought the route, and ended up putting our machines in there. So the machines that were at the location, we sold them for fairly cheap because you couldn't really do much with them, but there's still people out there that buy them. So we sold those, made some money back, put both our machines there, and as you guys saw, they look nice. They were nice machines. So it kind of worked out, honestly, but it was a mistake that you guys will make as you go, that nobody tells you. So the brands that I would recommend as far as vending machines, because when I was starting, I did some research, but the results were all over the place. And based on my experience and what I want the machines for, I would recommend with-turn machines. Those are combo machines, and those are workhorses. They're solid. I haven't had any problems with my machines, knock on wood, and they work. So with-turn, Dixie Narco, which those are all refurbished, you won't find new. AMS is good for like snacks. That's the brands that I know of, but there is other brands out there. The ones that I do suggest to stay away from are the Chinese style machines. Like, you'll see them, they're combos, and they have like a vinyl that says stay healthy or eat healthy, something like that. Stay away from those. You can't find parts for those, and from what I hear, they break down often. And for like with-turn and Dixie Narco, you can find plenty of parts online. eBay, Vending, they carry parts all the time. They're always in stock. So if something does happen, you could just order the parts. And a lot of the common issues with them, they have videos that you can troubleshoot, that'll help you troubleshoot. On Vending is a real helpful site that help with troubleshooting. They even have agents over the phone that can help you, walk you step by step. So there's support out there for those machines, and so that's a good thing about those. And then so how we ended up with the Anytime Fitness location was, I went and talked to the owner, and since it's, I guess it's like a franchise type of thing, he couldn't really say yes or no without running it through corporate or something with corporate. I don't know. So it took me a while to hear back from him. And then eventually, he said yeah. So now we had to look for another machine. And when we were looking for a machine, I could not find a combo machine with a cooling deck anywhere. I checked Craigslist, I checked Facebook Marketplace, I checked where else? Even I forgot what I was using a bunch of stuff. eBay, I even checked eBay. I could not find one for the life of me. And we ended up buying it at a shop that does refurbishments on these machines. But I was trying to buy it from like somebody that was selling it, like a third party, not a refurbished place. And I couldn't find one. I think I found one up north in San Jose or something, and we were willing to make the drive for the location. So San Jose is about 6 hours from me, but we were willing to make the drive for the location. And it was we found one like the one that I just showed you guys that I have at the other gym. So because I already know that machine and because I needed it, I was willing to drive out there for it. But then we found that place that sells refurbished machines in Rancho Cucamonga. They were hard to get a hold of, honestly. I forgot what they're called, but if you look up vending machine sales in Rancho Cucamonga, they're like one of the first ones to pop up. I forgot their name, but we ended up buying it there, and those places are more expensive because they refurbish them, and they come with warranty. We ended up paying $4,100 for it, and we picked it up. Rancho Cucamonga is about like an hour and a half for me. So we rented a U-Haul trailer. We have a pallet jack, and we ended up picking it up and bringing it over here. So I'm not gonna say that they're cheap. They're definitely not the cheapest thing to buy. And luckily I have a partner, so we just go half pretty much on everything. But if you're just going in it by yourself, it can get pricey. It's because you have to buy the machine, and then we had to buy all the products to put in there, and you kind of got to play around with the products, see what the members like, what they don't like. I switched around a bunch of products in there because they don't end up selling. So yeah, like I said, currently we have 2 machines at 2 different gyms. I'm trying to get more machines, more locations. And these gyms, both of them luckily are 24/7, so I always restock around this time on Fridays or Saturdays, and I don't have to worry about being able to make it at a certain time before they close or whatnot. That's why I want to stick to gyms, and I like, get them cheap, get these gym products cheap, pre-workout, protein snacks, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video soon here of me going to different gyms and talking to the owners, and hopefully getting 1 or 2 more spots. But yeah, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. Just got here anytime. I'm gonna restock. Just a quick background on how I got started. I'm not gonna say it was the easiest thing, but you definitely do it if you put in the work. Yeah. this for now. Pretty dead for a Friday. Sorry, is this in your way?
I was gonna get some.
Oh. What would you like?
Yeah, I wanted to get the chocolate protein, the lean.
The lean body?
Want me to put my card up there? Or?
No, it's fine.
It's 55 that last one.
This one?
Does it say chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. Can you do this thing somehow?
It's fine. You can.
Good?
Yeah, you can have it.
Hey, thank
Yeah.
you. That's very nice.
That's because you're a customer. Otherwise,
I get one of these pretty much every time I come.
oh, there you go. There you go. That one's in the house. Thank you. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. thanks you guys for watching. Appreciate all the new subscribers. If you guys have any questions, though, leave a comment or DM us on Instagram. And if you guys have any questions, want to start, but don't really know where, just send us a message. More than happy to help. I wish somebody would have helped me when I was starting, but yeah, let me know. Appreciate you guys.